Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury SUVs with an in-depth review of the Lincoln Aviator, a premium 3-row SUV that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and power. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers a first-class experience with impressive performance, stay tuned till the end. Let's start with the design. The Lincoln Aviator has a bold yet sophisticated exterior that instantly grabs attention. The front grille features Lincoln's signature chrome mesh design, complemented by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility at night. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, giving the SUV a streamlined, aerodynamic look. The 20-inch alloy wheels come standard, but if you opt for higher trims, you get 21 or even 22-inch wheels, adding to its commanding road presence. The power liftgate, soft close doors, and panoramic sunroof enhance its luxurious appeal, making it a true head-turner in the SUV segment. Stepping inside, the Lincoln Aviator offers an upscale cabin designed for ultimate comfort. Premium leather upholstery, genuine wood accents, and brushed aluminum trims create an opulent atmosphere. The front seats are 30-way power adjustable with heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring a plush ride. The second-row captain's chairs provide ample legroom and can be adjusted electronically for added convenience. Even the third-row seats are comfortable for adults on shorter trips, which isn't common in many 3-row SUVs. The Tri-Zone automatic climate control, ambient lighting, and Revel Ultima 3D audio system take the luxury experience to another level. A 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation ensures seamless connectivity, while a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary driving information at a glance. Under the hood, the Lincoln Aviator comes with a powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers an impressive 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this SUV offers smooth and responsive performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. If you want even more power and efficiency, Lincoln offers the Aviator Grand Touring, a plug-in hybrid variant that pushes the total output to 494 horsepower and 630 pound-feet of torque. This electrified version gives you the benefit of all-electric driving for short distances while maintaining the power of the twin-turbo engine. The adaptive suspension system absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, making the ride incredibly smooth. Lincoln's drive modes, including Excite, Conserve, and Deep Conditions, let you customize the driving experience based on road and weather conditions. The available all-wheel drive system ensures enhanced stability and traction, making the Aviator a reliable performer in various driving situations. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model Lincoln Aviator Standard starts at around $53,000, offering a great package of luxury and performance. The Reserve trim, which adds more premium features, starts at $59,000. If you want the top-tier luxury experience, the Black Label trim comes with exclusive interior themes and starts at $83,000. For those interested in the Hybrid Grand Touring model, pricing begins at $69,000, while the fully loaded Black Label Grand Touring can go beyond $90,000. Overall, the Lincoln Aviator is an exceptional luxury SUV that delivers high-end comfort, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance. Whether you prioritize a plush ride, advanced safety features, or impressive power, this SUV checks all the boxes. What do you think about the Lincoln Aviator? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more luxury car reviews. See you in the next one.